Good morning, dear students. Today we will read the story The Boy Who Cried Wolf. But before I start reading the story, I want to tell you something about the story. Uh, the Boy Who Cried Wolf, it's a fable. What is fable? A fable is a short story with animal characters. And this story has been taken from Aesop's fable. Uh, Aesop's fables are short stories written by Aesop. Who was Aesop? Aesop was an ancient Greek storyteller, which have been passed down over the years and usually contain a moral. I already told you that fables are the short stories with animal characters and having a moral. Having a moral. Now let us come to the first page of the story. This is the first chapter of your English reader book. Here the story is about telling the consequence of telling lies, the bad effects. If you have a habit of telling lies, it's a very bad habit. Have you ever told a lie? Just think, what do your parents do when you tell a lie and they find out? You think, I will ask you. Will listen to your answers. Before that, I just want to read the story. Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd boy in a village. He used to take his sheep to graze in the nearby pasture. He stayed with the sheep the whole day and returned to the village in the evening. Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd boy in a village. What he did, he used to take his sheep to graze. To graze means grazing means to eat grass in a field. To graze in the nearby pasture. What is pasture? Pasture is a land covered with grass. A land covered with grass. To field, actually, he used to take his sheep to a graze in the nearby pasture. He stayed with the sheep the whole day and returned to the village in the evening. One day, the shepherd boy took his sheep to graze in the pasture near a dense forest. Dense means deep. Dense means deep forest. Dense means thick, deep forest. After he had left the sheep to graze in the pasture, he felt very lonely and bored. Therefore, he thought of a trick. He decided to play a trick. What is the trick about? He ran towards the village and shouted, "Wolf, wolf!" Feeling very scared and panicked. Scared means afraid. And panicked. Panicked means to be afraid. Scared and afraid. Uh, all the villagers came running to the pasture. However, when they reached there, they did not find any wolf in the pasture. Instead, the shepherd boy started laughing at them. They got very angry. Then what happened? They all got very angry when they realized, they all means the villagers. They all got very angry when they realized that the shepherd boy had befooled them. They got very angry because they came to know that the shepherd boy had played a trick with them. The villagers scolded the boy. The villagers scolded means rebuked the boy for doing this and left from there. But the boy was extremely pleased. The villagers were actually very angry, and the boy was, on the other hand, the boy was extremely pleased with his prank. He was very happy with his prank means with his trick. After a few days, the shepherd boy again wanted to have some fun. He tried the same trick. He again shouted, "Wolf, wolf!" Feeling frightened, feeling scared. Frightened means scared. You can see this. Frightened means scared. Some villagers came to help him again, but there was no wolf. They were enraged at the boy. Enraged means very angry. Again, they got very angry with the boy. Okay, they were enraged at the boy. After a week, now what happened? Now after a week, a wolf actually came out from the forest and started attacking the sheep. Attacking means to jump on someone. The wolf started attacking. The sheep started jumping on the sheep of the shepherd boy. The shepherd boy got very scared. Now the shepherd boy got very scared and shouted at the top of his voice. At the top of his voice means to call out loudly. He shouted loudly, "Wolf, wolf, please help! Wolf, wolf!" However, no villager came out to help the boy. They remembered the earlier times. They remembered how they were befooled by the shepherd boy earlier times. And they thought that the boy was fooling them again. And that is why they did not come to help the shepherd boy. What happened? Then the wolf killed many of his sheep. The shepherd boy was very upset. He was very upset. When he came back home, he asked the villagers, "Why didn't you come out to help me?" They all answered. That means all villagers answered. The villagers who came earlier to help the shepherd boy, they answered, "Nobody believes a liar even when he speaks the truth." Nobody believes a liar. If you are a liar, if you are mocked, that means if you are telling lies frequently, then what happens? Nobody will believe you. Nobody believes a liar even when he speaks the truth. Thus the shepherd boy regretted his actions. Regretted means felt very sad and sorry about something. He regretted his actions and was in great sorrow. He felt very repentant about his lost sheep. It's a story adapted from Aesop's fable. Okay, that's all from the story. Thank you.